Mapapanood na sa GMA News TV International ang mga laro ng National Basketball League. Balitang hatid ni Nelson Canlas.
Pumirma ng kontrata ang GMA News TV International at National Basketball League para mas mapalawig pa ang suporta sa sports at ma-entertain ang mga Pinoy na basketball aficionados lalo na ang mga naninirahan abroad. Ayon kay GMA Vice President and Head of International Operations Joseph Francia, batid daw nilang maraming Filipino audience abroad ang namimiss ang manood ng telebisyon ng All-Filipino Basketball League at sagot daw ito sa kanilang matagal ng kahilingan.
Hopefully we can make this bigger, grander, but this is the first step of hopefully many more activities we will do in behalf of basketball, not just here in the Philippines, but in the service of our mga kapuso sa abroad.
Layo ng NBL na mag-develop ng homegrown talents at makalikha ng mga basketball icons sa komunidad. Sa kanilang ikalawang season, may 15 na silang team mula sa Bulacan, Cainta, Dasmariñas, Imus, Iriga, Laguna, Nueva Ecija, Pampanga, Pasig, Parañaque, Quezon City, Rizal, Taguig, Camarines Sur at Zamboanga.
In behalf of NBL management, we're honored in partnering with GMA. Of course, we will make it happen.
Matapos ang contract signing, napasabak ang ilang NBL players sa kaunting dribble at pasa ng bola laban sa kapuso Hunks na sina Benjamin Alves at Bill Cuerva.
Semi-professional basketball.
Yeah. They might as well be the semi-professional, professional. They're just way above our level also. So they took,
Kulang tayo sa training.
They took it easy on us, but we gave them our best shot naman. Yeah.
Nelson Canlas, GMA News.